Yesterday, the oath-taking ceremony of Karbi Welfare Autonomous Council was held in Guwahati in the presence of Minister Ranoj Pegu. The oath-taking ceremony of Karbi Welfare Autonomous Council was held yesterday at Srimanta Sankardeva Kalasestra, Guwahati. Organized by the Department of Tribal Affairs, Plan Minister Ranoj Pegu attended the event. Created under the 2025 bill, Karbi Welfare Autonomous Council represent Karbis living outside the Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau district, covering Kamrup, Nagaon, Morigaon, and others. The 26-member council will ensure targeted welfare and development for Karbi communities. News report, Karbi Anglong News Focus 24/7.
Thanks to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shanti and Assam Chief Minister Mr. Shanti, that in 2021 a peace accord with the Karbi Militant Organization was signed, and wherein it was provision that Karbi Welfare Autonomous Council is set up for the people living outside the Karbi Anglong district, mostly in the plains areas of Assam. So today we have completed the commitment by this oath-taking ceremony of the newly constituted interim body of Karbi Welfare Autonomous Council as per an act of the Assam Legislative Assembly. So my best wishes to the Karbi people and also to the new interim body, and the process of holding general election of democratic election of the council has also will be started very soon, and this council will be able to serve the Karbi people along with other people in the plains areas outside scheduled areas of Assam. That is my expectation.
Japan PM will also come to Assam.
Pardon?
Japan PM.
A high dignitary is coming, that much I know, and I know nothing about who that high dignitary is.
What about the annual budget, sir?
Once the budget is passed, everyone will come to know. We cannot leak in advance. Okay?
Thank you,
Sir.
कार्बी आंगलोंग और दिमाग का बाहर में जो कार्बी लोग रहता है, रह रहे उन लोगों के लिए एक कार्बी वेलफेयर ऑटोनोमस काउंसिल का सेटअप करेगा. उसका मुताबिक আমরা total 26 members. Thank you.